Hi everyone, my name is Fasayo and I'm here with the World Cultural Events and Celebrations for the week of January 18th to January 31st. Sunday, January 18th is the new moon, which can be seen at 2:52 p.m. The new moon represents new beginnings, fresh starts, introspection, and a time to set new intentions. Monday, January 19th is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's a day to honor the life, legacy, and contributions of the civil rights leader, marking his birthday with the focus on equality, justice, and nonviolent activism, and serving as a national day of service to encourage community volunteering and action for positive change. Tuesday, January 20th is the International Day of Acceptance. It celebrates our differences and abilities and encourages us to embrace the special qualities that make us unique. Friday, January 23rd is Vasant Panchami, a Hindu holiday celebrating the arrival of spring, dedicated to the goddess Saraswati, the deity of knowledge, music, and arts, marked by yellow attire, prayers, and traditions like kite flying, signifying renewal and learning. Sunday, January 25th is the first quarter of the moon, seen at 11:47 p.m. The first quarter of the moon represents a time of action, momentum, and commitment. Be sure to look out for it. And that's it for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. My name is Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.